You want to start a food forest, but you don't know where to begin. Maybe you're suffering from analysis paralysis. I'm going to go through the steps of how to do it. Quick and easy. Check the pinned comment for a link to a video where I go through the steps myself. Pick a small spot, 6x6, 10x10. You probably already have a spot in mind. Weed whack down to the ground. Throw some compost down on top of that. Put some cardboard on top of the compost. Lay a 6 to 12 inch layer of mulch on top of the cardboard. That's your foundation. You can expand on that. If you want to plant it right away, a good thing to do is put in some annual vegetables. It's a nice and easy way to start. You can plant more later. This is a 10 by 10 foot section. Took me about an hour. I planted annual leafy greens just to get something growing. I'll fill it in with food forest plants next summer when the planting season is better.